Thank you for joining me. I'm Scott Ryan. Well, it's interesting today as Rick Santorum suspended his campaign. The way it's being reported in the media, that you would think that the race was over, but I think that there's a lot more to this than meets the eye. And personally, I don't think anything has changed. Rick Santorum and Newt Gingrich, remember the past few weeks, there have been talks about them striking a strategic alliance. And this race is really no longer about either one of them. I mean, Santorum mathematically could possibly win, but it's really about stopping the unacceptable, pathological liar, Mitt Romney, from hijacking this nomination. And if you look, yes, Rick Santorum, he has 285 delegates, and Newt Gingrich has 136 delegates. So together that makes 421 delegates to Newt Gingrich's 661. I made a video on March 28th about the importance of Newt Gingrich being in this race, even though the math is insurmountable. And in that video, if you want to look it up, I was making the point that Newt is important. He's an important aspect of this race because if it were just down to one conservative and Mitt Romney, then a deal could be made and that conservative could drop out and it would be all over. But we know that the Rick Santorum supporters and the Newt Gingrich supporters are vehemently against Mitt Romney, and that if one drops out, the votes will go to the other. And I wondered if possibly Santorum might be amenable to a deal with Romney, like a vice presidential nominee promise or a cabinet position. That may be the case. They may have struck a deal, but I doubt it because Santorum has not endorsed Romney today. And he did say that the fight is far from over. You could take that to mean that the fight against Obama is far from over, or perhaps it's a code of sorts. But here we are in a situation where Newt Gingrich is staying in this race. He is continuing to give conservatives an option, continuing to give them some hope. So perhaps they can win some delegates. And another good thing is, since Rick Santorum is suspending, quote unquote, suspending his campaign, there's less of a likelihood, I should say, that those delegates, or that vote, conservative vote, will be split. I mean, if I were a Santorum supporter and yet to have my election, I would vote for Newt, the one conservative currently in the race, which we know that Romney has taken many delegates by a small fraction of the points. Now, this could be helpful to Rick Santorum if he were to come back. Remember, Santorum was just saying over the last couple weeks, if we can only make it to May, they've got some strong states coming up in their favor. Newt Gingrich might have just as much of a chance in Pennsylvania as Rick Santorum does. So Santorum doesn't hurt himself by not being in that race. If we look at this as a two-person race or a team in order to capture the necessary conservative delegates. So Rick Santorum, by not being in the race, it's going to be hard for Mitt Romney to keep running his sleazy, deceptive commercials against Santorum when he suspended his campaign. So he can focus it all on Gingrich, who mathematically can't win the race, but is an important receptacle of conservative votes. In the end, the only prayer that this nation has, I don't know if Rick Santorum's going to come back in May and maybe Newt will drop out then. Maybe that's the strategic alliance to which they refer. But in the end, what we need to see, our hope, is that somehow we can get enough delegates to deprive the pathological liar, the ignoble Mitt Romney, from stealing this nomination and re-electing Barack Hussein Obama. It is not a choice. It is not an acceptable choice to give the American public two choices. One, being a communist, the other being a cultist. Unacceptable. And many of us conservatives are going to vote and support Newt Gingrich. Send your donations to Newt Gingrich right now. It's important. He's $4 million in debt. We need him in there. Send him money now. Thank you for joining me. I'm Scott Ryan.